Here's how to add 3D text to an object in FreeCAD. Create your 3D object in Part Design using a sketch and the Pad tool. Now, switch the workbench from Part Design to Draft. In Draft, go to Shape from Text. Click to place the starting point on your canvas. In the settings, type your text in the string field. Click the font icon and select your preferred font, for example, Arial. Click Open, then OK. The text will be created but may not be visible yet. Go to the Model panel and hide the pad temporarily. Select the shape string and use the placement settings to reposition the text. Adjust the X, Y, and Z position values to move it where you want it, including setting a Z value to lift it above the surface. Unhide the pad. Now select the text, switch back to Part Design, and use the Extrude option to give the text a depth value. Click Apply, and your 3D text is now part of the model. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.